Welcome to the future of construction. 3D printing technology is revolutionizing the way we build. And foam concrete, the revolutionary, lightweight material, is at the forefront of this revolution. But did you know? Traditional concrete formulations face huge challenges in this digital construction revolution, and foam concrete is opening up entirely new possibilities. Let's explore this building challenge. 3 key characteristics are needed for successful 3D printing: pumpability, smooth as butter through the print head; extrudability, keeping the shape from collapsing; and buildability, the layers can withstand the weight of the top layer when stacked. Off the shelf standard mixers simply can't meet these requirements at the same time, and foam concrete is breaking through these limitations with its unique properties. Look at this breakthrough. With its lightweight properties and controlled rheology, foam concrete holds its shape perfectly during the printing process. Another advantage: the foaming properties naturally provide thermal insulation, which is unmatched by conventional concrete. But now, let's delve deeper into the mysteries of foam concrete formulation. With pressure-tuned foaming technology, we've achieved it. Precise foam control produces a uniform micro-bubble structure, ensuring a lightweight and robust material. Rheology modifiers give the foam concrete ideal extrusion characteristics. Setting time control ensures perfect bonding between the printed layers. Even more exciting are the multifunctional modifications, adding polypropylene fibers to improve tensile strength and crack resistance, adding nanomaterials, optimizing bubble wall strength without compromising insulation properties, use of specialty additives to enhance interlayer bonding and overall durability. But the real breakthrough lies in the unique advantages of foam concrete: natural thermal insulation properties to reduce post-insulation treatment, lightweight characteristics to reduce structural loads, and sustainable characteristics in line with green building requirements. When we mastered the printing process of foam concrete, a miracle happened. Complex thermal insulation structures that could not be realized by traditional methods could be printed. The comprehensive construction cost was reduced by 40%, and the construction speed was increased by 3 to 5 times, while obtaining excellent energy-saving effects. It's not just an evolution in construction technology, it is a smart revolution in building materials. The next time you see a 3D printed building, remember that foam concrete is redefining the future of construction. Subscribe to us to explore more possibilities of smart construction together.